Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the pre-market report dated March of 18th, Monday. Let's talk about Friday session. Friday session, all the stock market indexes, particularly Nasdaq, down 155 points and closed at 15,973 levels. Talking about Dow Jones was also down 190 points, S&P down 33 points and closed at 5,117 levels. What was special about Friday session? Friday session, we call it as quadruple witching for US markets. What is quadruple witching? Quadruple witching is simultaneously expiration date. I mean, it happens every third month of the year, specific in the March, June, September, and the last third month. So basically what happens is it is the expiration of stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and stock futures. So four expiration occurs simultaneously on one day. But as stocks futures stop trading since 2020, so we call it as triple witching instead of quadruple witching. Generally, the volume went up during this day, and the VIX, which is volatility, went up. So because of quadruple witching, I mean, investors generally ignore this day. So we shouldn't. We should ignore that Friday session and move forward because of this quadruple witching on Friday. Talking about stock futures, US markets, Nasdaq futures pointing 221 points up, S&P showing 40 points up, gap up, and Dow Jones showing 69 points, almost flat. Talking about major events this week, we have Federal Reserve FOMC meeting interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Wednesday. So interest rate decision, which is the crucial decision from the Fed, which will give further indication whether Fed is going to cut rate cut in the month of June or in the month of July. We have conference after the decision at 2:30 p.m. where we will see more clue from Jerome Powell. Talking about another event, which is the Nvidia GTC conference scheduled starting March of 18th today till 21st of March. This is the highly anticipated event, and almost 16,000 people will participate in this event, and we will be seeing almost 300,000 people attending online this event. Why this event is important? This event is important because this will positively impact Nvidia stocks, as we will be having more insights about it. Talking about stock specific action, Tesla up 4.24% in the pre-market session because Tesla is about to raise prices on Model Y in different parts of Europe. Talking about another news and about Nvidia, Truist Securities analyst raised price target for Nvidia and keep it at 1177. At present, Nvidia is trading at around 880 levels, so you expect almost 300 point jump from here on. Nvidia up 3% in the pre-opening session because of this GTC conference, which is scheduling to start today. Google up 4.9%. As you know, Apple is in talk with Google generative AI model Gemini for incorporation in Apple iPhones. Apple earlier had that same discussion with Microsoft backed OpenAI. That's the reason today Microsoft is down 0.7%, and Apple and Google both are up. Apple up 4.9%, Apple up almost 1%. So this is about stock specific action. talking about technical levels of Nasdaq is still between the range of 15,939 and on the higher side 16,275, which is acting as a resistance. So still it is hovering between this range. We expect on Wednesday we will be out of this range because of FOMC rate decision. I am keeping my finger crossed and hoping for the positive breakout on Wednesday, as there is a tug of war going on between the generative AI theme, between the AI theme and the rate cut hops. So let's see how the market behaves during this week. I wish you good luck and I hope I have provided you sufficient information on the basis of which you can take the informed decisions. Thank you. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.